Hey guys, what's going on? Sunny here from Online Sales Funnel Academy. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about a little bit about Amazon. Now, a few weeks ago, I did a video. It's called How to Sell More Etsy Products on Amazon. And I talked about the power of the Amazon algorithm and the ability that Amazon has to retarget your customers for you. And it's been a few weeks now, and during the video, and I'll drop a link in the description down below of the video that I shot, it was called the Wreath Edition. I was talking all about how Etsy sellers who sell wreaths might want to consider putting their products on Amazon in order to sell more products. And one of the techniques I talked about is when you are selling a product, whether it's yourself or Amazon, whoever owns the customer, so in this case it's Amazon wants, if you visited that product once, Amazon wants to they call it retargeting that person over and over again for you. And so there's a lot of heavy lifting involved. So what Amazon does is, since the time I've shot that video, and in the video I went to multiple listings of wreaths. Of course, I did not purchase one, it was for the sake of the video. But since then, I have had 10 follow-up emails emailed to me in my inbox from Amazon trying to get me to come back to the listing and see if I would buy the product. And I will include a snapshot right about here. Okay, so hopefully you had a chance to look at that screenshot just now of the 10 emails I received from Amazon where they're trying to get me to purchase the wreaths again. But this is exactly what I was talking about in my first video. Because the Amazon database is so powerful, this is the kind of heavy lifting that they can do for you. They have the capability and the technology and the time to sit there and retarget and follow around your customers around the web and send out multiple emails and listings on your behalf. Had I clicked any one of those products, it would have taken me straight back and I would have purchased, and the Etsy seller would have received, of course, the credit for it. The other thing I would like to point out is when I didn't reply or start clicking on the items they sent me, they also changed up the products that I might be interested in. They started showing me other kinds of wreaths that I did not originally click on. So it's their way of kind of like the algorithm trying to figure out what can they show me to get me back to the Amazon platform the best. Okay, so yet another reason. So whether you're selling on Etsy or Pinterest or you're on Shopify and you start selling on Amazon, this is one of the selling points I'm always talking about, is this heavy lifting power that the algorithm has to help you get your products out to more people. So let's just say the scenario again from the beginning. Let's say you're an Etsy seller and you're selling a wreath and you put the wreath on Amazon. I, as a customer, go and look at your listing, but I don't buy. In the next 2 weeks to follow, I receive 10 follow-up emails from Amazon, right, for me to go back to try and buy your product. That's a lot of heavy lifting that the small business owner doesn't have to do. Now, let me talk about the negative side of that, okay, because there's pros and cons to both sides of this model. The negative side is that Amazon owns the customer, not you. What do I mean by that? So when they go through and it might be your product that they purchase, but Amazon owns their data. Amazon has their email address. Amazon knows their demographics, not you. It is available to you in the back office of the Amazon selling platform, but it's not technically your customer, and you're not supposed to reach out to them technically unless they reach out to you first with a customer service problem. So why is that a big deal? So when I'm on this channel, I'm always talking about why it's important to grow your email list as a small business provider. When you own the list, you have power. You have the ability to email people and tell them about your new offers and products and bring them back in. Now in this case, that's what Amazon did for you on your behalf. It's like asking your neighbor next door if they could sell it for you because they've got more people that they know. It's the same kind of situation. So anyway, you guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope that kind of clears up some of the pros of why you would want to use Amazon to do the heavy lifting for you by listing your products on Amazon. But just keep in mind the negatives of being able, hopefully you're growing your own email list and getting your own database of people who are your own customers that you can send out emails to, because the person who controls the list controls the sales. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to tap the bell down below and let me know if you have any questions about this video. I would love to hear from you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.